morning and Assalamu alaikum, sir. I'm Umis Sarish, a student of grade metric, enrolled in Al Jalil Premier School. I'm very thankful that you have given us a very good chance, and I would like to pursue the LLB field in future with a deep interest. So right now I would like to talk about a topic which is a child labor. As we are seeing so many children working outside of the age 12 and even lower than that. They are working outside rather than studying in the school and getting education, and they are getting low wages where they can barely complete the facilities of their family and even the facilities of themselves. So how do you navigate the complexities of applying both international and domestic laws to protect these children?
Hello and Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Zemal from grade metric, also in JPS. So my question was that whenever there is a leadership position, so it's a very main role, right? So there's usually a process on how to elect that person. So I wanted to ask, how is the Bar Association elected and what's the main role of it?
And Assalamu alaikum to the legal professionals of the legal community. I am Alvina and I am a student of grade metric from Al Jalil Premier School. So my question is that, as you said that there are new lawyers as well as the experienced ones. So how can the new lawyers compete with the experienced ones in the market? Like what qualities, what things they should be succeeded in to compete with the experienced ones?
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Atka and I'm the future lawyer from Al Jalil Premier School. So as all of us are aware about the case of Mrs. Natasha, the lady of Gul Ahmed, Miss Natasha has killed innocent person, father and daughter in accident. She was riding her Prado car, and even now she has not been punished. So my question is, why the court is delaying the justice for those innocent people who were killed in this accident? Thank you.
I'm Faila Fatma, student of grade 8A, enrolled in JPS. So as we know that improvement is a big part of development. So how do you think the legal system can be improved?
Zohra Shari, enrolled in Al Jalil Premier School. Currently I am a student of grade 8. So my question is, what's something surprising about being a lawyer or judge that most people don't know?
Pravir, and I am from metric class CCS. I am very glad to meet you first, and my question is that you are having years of experience in law. So what you would suggest me, what should a candidate do to become a lawyer or an advocate? Thank you.
Sir, this is Hasnain Ali Jalalani from metric class City Cambridge Education System, and thank you for your precious time today over here. And I hope that after this meeting, inshallah, we are going to learn some meaningful lessons in our life, which is going to help in our life, right? So sir, my question with you is, in Pakistan there are many lawyers, many advocates charging around fees of 8 crores to 10 crores, right? So absolutely this means that this is out of the range of the common citizens who are just earning small amount of household in their houses. So sir, that means they are fighting for justice but only for high profile person. Don't you think so? And sir, the main motive to create a scenario over here is that we should consider this as the hiring fees, or we should consider it something else. Thank you, sir.
Amral from grade metric from CCS, and we are very lucky to having conversation with experienced advocate just like you, and we hope that after this discussion we will get information which we can't get from our daily life. And sir, as we know that you are an experienced advocate, so you are working for the justice and human rights, and so there is a one human right which is education for the youngsters, and in Pakistan the youngsters are not getting or achieving the best quality of education. So what are the rights in Pakistan for the youngsters?
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Hassan Naveed from senior branch City Cambridge Education System by Caste Diary. So it's my pleasure to meet you and ask some of the questions from you. So my question is, a 15-year-old boy is caught diving, including
in a major accident which injures a person, resulting death. So this incident raises the questions about accountability and safety of the citizens of Pakistan. So what are your opinions about it? Do you consider it is an incident or accident or crime?
Assalamualaikum sir, myself Samjira Shah from grade 9 CCES senior branch. And sir, first of all, thank you for your precious time. Sir, my question is that there are many fields except law, like army, police, teachers and many more. But sir, why did you choose law in it? Was there any specific reason behind it?
Assalamualaikum and good morning to all of you. I am Riba from grade metric JPS. And sir, my question is, like many different professions have many different requirements. Like a doctor need to have sympathy and care for his patients, and an artist need to be creative. So what qualities do you think are essential to be a successful lawyer?
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Sauda and I'm from grade 8 Al Jalil Premier School. As sir, I have to ask some question from you that I have seen many students that think my aim is to become law, I will choose the field of law. So what advice would you give to the student who are considering a future in a law?
I'm from grade 9th from JPS. So my question from you is that there are some cases where both of the parents, mother and father, they both want custody of their child, but they don't want to live together. So how do you deal with these type of child custody cases?
See, I'm from grade 8 senior branch of CCES. First of all, sir, I am very thankful that you have given your precious time to us. Sir, I have a question to you, that as we all know that in the field of law, pressure comes from every side. It comes from public and client and government. So I want to ask you that how do you handle your pressure?
My name is Mohammad Haris and I am from grade 8A. So first of all, thank you for inviting us here. It was a pleasure meeting you. So my question is that about juvenile justice. So nowadays the age limit of driving is 18 plus, but the kids are growing up really fast. So a 16-year-old is having a brain of a 26-year-old. So they are really like clever. So they are doing accidents and they are not getting the right justice for that. They are juvenile, that's why. So what does the law say about that?
From grade 9 from CCS. So sir, my question is that, so you have spent many years in laws and you have attended many cases in law. So what is your experience in law?
Thank you very much, all of you. Welcome here in Bar Association. We have the seniors, lawyers. First of all, the concept of you have to engage or you have to join this profession. We have called this profession is Lord's profession. And here advocates, after getting the bachelor degree, after that they have to enroll as an advocate. I have already asked you about that after the 6 months training period of the advocate, thereafter he has to work with the senior under the training of the 6 months. During the investigation, whatever the investigation collected by the police, that had been produced before the magistrate, and challan has been submitted before the court and the trial. After the proceeding, she can get the justice or the complainant can the justice.
There are certain laws which require the changes in our country, as well as this field of law require a number of the reforms, unfortunately, which have not been done so far. And apparently it looks that it's a pro-elite justice system.
Pakistan studies English and all that. So how did you prepare for everything? Who was your motivation? Who supported you? Like what sources you got to prepare these types of things for CSS?
Prestigious exam, and you people all know. When I qualified back in 2007, I secured first position in Sindh. It's a very difficult exam. You need to study at least 8 hours. And especially, I think there are 12 subjects. You need to qualify each and every more than 50%. And once you qualify this exam, you have to go through the psychological test. Then you have to appear for the interview. And it's very difficult job. I think in Pakistan, mostly 10,000 to 12,000 students annually appear. And only the passing ratio is not more than 200. So it's very difficult. The passing ratio is less than probably 2% of the student. The main reason that they are failing, that in most of the institutes are, I think we are not creating students of learning. We are just memorizing, and we are not thinkers. If anybody is interested in CSS, he should watch the Three Idiot movie. And Amir Khan is one of the, I think, person from whom you can understand the concept of learning. We need to learn. We don't need to memorize. We need to think. We should be thinkers.
आप अपने वालिदैन को प्रोटेक्ट कर देंगे, आप अपने सोसाइटी को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, आप अपने मोहल्ले को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, तो ये लॉ है। जी बेटा, थैंक यू। सर ये हमारी तरफ से थैंक यू।
It was a very nice experience visiting there. I would like to thank our school and our director, Sir Abdul Jalil, who gave us this opportunity to go and visit. And I myself was personally interested in the field of law, so it was a wonderful experience for me.
Yeah, it was a great experience for all of us. As being a student, we are in like primary, level. So we are often confused which field we should choose, right? There are many fields and we are also unaware of many fields. So this was one of the experience which we all had.
So amazing experience that we had. The president himself was so kind to us. He just even made us to visit each and every department of the things of the law and made us clear each and every.
It was a delightful experience, and many people do not get this opportunity to go to the High Court and see what the advocates are doing.
It was such an awesome experience there. It was my first time, but it went very well.
During this year, and we enjoyed a lot. We visited a lot of things.
So basically, first, I really thankful to Sir Jalil that he gave me the opportunity to visit this. It was a very memorable visit, and the advocates were also good.
We got to know many things. We had lots of fun. I would like to thank our school, our management for that they gave us this opportunity.